Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. I'm going to present my contribution in order to participate in the first international conference on chemical matters and environmental preservation with the title Physico-Chemical Characterization of the Sand Rows in Touggourt Sidi Slimane. In this work, different structures that form the sand rows in Touggourt area Sidi Slimane were studied in addition to their concentration, where they were studied using spectroscopic technique including X-ray diffraction, infrared spectroscopy, and X-ray fluorescence. So that the result showed that the sand rows has the same components as sand, as it consists mainly of quartz and gypsum in high proportions, and the weak proportions are represented in some other non-crystalline and organic compounds. It also showed all the chemical and physical reactions of this sample after conducting a heat treatment where it was heated at the following temperature: 100, 300, 500 degrees, showed new crystalline phases and significantly affected the sample sand components. Firstly, we have methodology. We took the sand rows from its growth site, Sidi Slimane, where the picture shows its geographical location, and then we applied several purification processes to the sample to remove excess impurities to avoid any impact on the experimental. We use three technique principles. In the beginning, we have FTR. The beam that appeared in infrared absorption radiation of the sand rows sample is due to SO, the aggregates, and they are symmetric stretching vibration. They are characteristic absorption beams of compounds SiO2. And next technique is FRX analysis. The results of the table confirm that the sand rows of the Touggourt region in its natural states consists of quartz and gypsum, and this is evidenced by the presence of water in the sand. In addition, the presence of some minerals in its natural state, but their concentration are very weak, as it was observed that the iron element Fe was presented in a rather high concentration. Next technique is Xld Analysis. When treating the dissolved X-ray spectrum at the normal temperature, the sand rose powder is in the Touggourt region in its natural state is characterized by a high crystalline nature, which belongs the quartz by 46.58% and gypsum by 65%. Finally, we have a conclusion. When analysis the X-ray diffraction diagrams of the sand rows sample for the Touggourt region, Sidi Slimane, it was found that it contains crystal structure related to quartz and gypsum. The technique of X-ray fluorescence and infrared absorption also showed us that sand contains some other non-crystalline and organic compounds in weak concentration. Thank you for your attention.